What if you could start an online business without buying inventory, printing products yourself, or shipping orders? That's exactly what Printify helps you do. Printify is one of the most popular print-on-demand platforms in the world. It allows you to create custom products like t-shirts, hoodies, mugs, phone cases, posters, and much more using your own designs. When someone places an order, Printify handles the printing, packaging, and shipping for you. In today's video, I'm going to show you step-by-step how to create a Printify account and get started completely free. Even if you're a beginner, don't worry, this tutorial is simple and easy to follow. First, open your browser and go to printify.com. Once you're on the home page, click the Sign Up button located in the top right corner of the screen. Now you'll see different sign-up options. You can continue with Google, Facebook, Apple, or simply use your email address. Choose whichever option is easiest for you. If you're signing up with email, enter your name, your email address, and create a secure password. Then click on Create Account. After creating your account, Printify may ask you a few setup questions. For example, they might ask where you plan to sell your products, like Etsy, Shopify, WooCommerce, or your own website. Just choose the option that matches your goals best. And don't worry, you can always change this later. Next, Printify will send a verification email to your inbox. Open your email account, find the message from Printify, and click the confirmation link inside the email. Once your email is verified, your account is officially active and you'll be redirected to your Printify dashboard. This dashboard is where you'll manage everything. From here, you can browse thousands of print-on-demand products including clothing, accessories, home decor items, and more. You can upload your own designs, customize products, create mock-ups, and connect your online store to start selling worldwide without holding any inventory. One of the best things about Printify is that it integrates with platforms like Etsy, Shopify, TikTok Shop, and WooCommerce, making it very easy to launch your own online business. And that's it. You've successfully created your Printify account and you're now ready to start designing and selling products online. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and check out my other tutorials about Etsy, print on demand, passive income, and online business ideas. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.